the 1970 Bicycle Consortium, the electric bike rental and the bike modification with motor side of the business. If you guys a really unique experience having a power unit on a bicycle. A really minimalist system really brings home the mechanical aspect of your daily driver, the monotony, takes you out of the monotony of everyday driving, and also kind of introduces the children of the community to the science technology behind power units like this, and electrical ones as well. And I only really have a minute to explain all this because vehicles do tend to overheat when they're not pulling air around them. So, I also want to say at this moment that all contributions will go to this business. Even if I have to sit on the funds for a year, I will not put them in any other endeavors or to any other purpose. So go ahead and think through supporting our 1970 Bicycle Consortium. This end of the business is really the springboard for my real goal is to start a 1970 bicycle gallery which will display the history of 1970 bicycle, but hey, this is the more lucrative part, more profitable, and it will catch on better at first.